Dear students, in the previous lecture, we have discussed about the operations of the sets. In detail, we have discussed operation of the set as the union of sets, intersection of sets, difference of sets, and complement of the sets. Now, in this lecture, we discuss the union, intersection, difference, and the complement of sets by taking the numerical problems. And first, we discuss exercise 1.4 of your textbook NCERT. In this exercise 1.4, question first is, find out the union of the sets when the sets are given as. So question number 1. Find the union of the following set. And first part is, the set X contain the element 1, 3 and 5. And Y is another set which contain the element 1, 2, 3. So there are the two sets are given as X which contain element 1, 3, 5, or second set is Y which contain the element of 1, 2, 3, and we want to take their union. So union denoted by X union Y. This is a set which contain the all element of X as well as all element of Y, that is 1, 2, 3 and 5. So simply, this is the union of two sets. This set contain all element of X as well as all element of Y. Second example is, A is the set of vowels A, E, I, O and U. And B is the set of the element A, B, C. A, B, C. So we want to take their union. So X union A union B is a set which contain all element of set A as well as all element of set B, that is A, B, C, E, I, O and U. This one. So this is the union of two sets. Now third one is, there are given there the set builder form. So set A is X such that X is a natural number and multiple of 3. X is a natural number and X is multiple of 3n. 3. So first we write down its roster form. That is, this is the set of the all natural number which are multiple of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on. Infinite set. So this one is the set A which contain the natural number and multiple of 3. B set is defined as X such that X is a natural number less than 6. X such that X is a natural number and X is less than 6. So write down its roster form as 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this one is the set B. Natural numbers less than. So we want to take their union. So A union B is the set of element contain each element of set A as well as each element of set B. So one method is, this contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on. This is a roster form. we have combining both the set A and B, which contain all element of set A as well as all element of set B. But in this third case, the question is given in roster form, so our answer should be in roster form. So convert this one into roster form. So A union B is equal to X. That is, X is the element such that X is a natural number. And X is a natural number less than 6 or multiple of 3. तो हमने यूज किया वर्ड और, तो या तो इसके अंदर नेचुरल नंबर है लेस देन 6 या इसमें मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 है. तो दिस इज द यूनियन ऑफ टू सेट्स. Next is fourth case. A is the set of element X such that X is the natural number where X is less than 6 greater than 1. X is the natural number less than equal to 6 and greater than equal to 1. So we can write down its roster form, that is 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And B. B is the set of element X such that X is a natural number and X is less than 10 greater than 6. So this is another set B. The roster set builder form is X such that X is a natural number, this one. So write down its roster form. X is a natural number more than 6, that is 7, 8 and 9. तो ये हमारे पास एक आ रहा है सेट जिसके एलिमेंट है. हमें फाइंड आउट करना है A यूनियन B. So A union B is a set which contain all element of A as well as element of B, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And now write down its set builder form. X says that X is a natural number, so we can define as X is less than 10 and more than 1. So ये सारे natural number है जो 1 से 10 greater है, 10 से less है. There is another form, or we can write down as X says that X is a natural number, X is less than equal to 9 and more than equal to 2. ये भी आप फॉर्म इसकी लिख सकते हैं. सो ये था हमारे पास क्वेश्चन फोर्थ पार्ट फर्स्ट का. नाउ फिफ्थ पार्ट इज सेट ए विच कंटेन द एलिमेंट 1, 2 and 3 और सेट बी इज 5, empty set. So set A is a finite set as 1, 2, 3 elements, or set B is the empty set. Then we want to find out the A union phi, which know that the A union phi is equal to A. So this one is 1, 2, 3. With the help of the property भी आप कह सकते हैं, और वैसे यूनियन की डेफिनेशन से आप कह सकते हैं कि A union phi is the set which contain all element of set A as well as all element of phi, but phi is the empty set. There is no element in set phi. So there are only elements of set A. So A union phi is the set A. So this one is question number 1 of the exercise. Now in continuation we discuss question number 2. Question number 2 is, question is set A which contain 2 element A and B. Set B which contain 3 elements A, B and C. Third is set C. There are only 2 sets, no set C. First question is, A is subset of B. So our answer is yes. Because all element of set A also belong to set B. We can say that all element of set A lie in also set B. So A is subset of B. Second is, what is A union B? A union B is equal to B. Why? Because when we take their union, so there are the element A, B and C, which contain the all element of A as well as B. So we can say that A union B is equal to B. So there is a property that if A is subset of B, हम यहां पे एज ए प्रॉपर्टी भी कह सकते हैं कि if set A is subset of B, then A union B is always equal to B. Now, question third. Question 3 is, if A and B are two sets such that A is subset of B, then what is A union B? And in above question we have used the property, if set A is subset of set B, so A union B is the set B. So our answer is A union B is B. Why? Because A is the subset of set B. A के सारे एलिमेंट B में है, तो जब हम इनका यूनियन लेंगे तो वो सारे एलिमेंट हमें B में मिलेंगे, तो वही सेट आ जाएगा B. तो A union B is B. Now, question number 4. There is a set A with element 1, 2, 3, 4. There is a set B with element 3, 4, 5 and 6. And there is a set of element 5, 6, 7 and 8. And D is the fourth set which contain the element 7, 8 or 9, 10. So there are the four sets are given as the element 1, 2, 3, 4. B set contain the element 3, 4, 5, 6. C set contain the element 5, 6, 7, 8 or D set contain the element 7, 8, 9. Find the following answers. First is, what is A union B? A union B is the set combining A and B, which contain all element of set A, 1, 2, 3, 4 and all element of set B, that is 5 and 6. इसके सारे एलिमेंट इसके सारे एलिमेंट इसमें आ जाते हैं, तो दिस वन इज द A union B. Second part is A union C. A union C is the set which contain of all element of set A, 1, 2, 3, 4 as well as all element of C, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the A union C, जिसमें A के भी सारे एलिमेंट आपको मिले, C के भी सारे एलिमेंट आपने कंबाइन करके एक सेट फॉर्म किया है. दिस वन इज कॉल्ड A union C. Third one is B union C. Element of B 3, 4, 5, 6 and C 7 and 8. सारे एलिमेंट B के आप लेंगे, सारे एलिमेंट C के लेंगे, जो नया सेट बनेगा इसी को आप कहेंगे B union C. And sixth part is B union D. B union D is the set of element 3, 4, 5, 6 और D के सारे एलिमेंट लेने 7, 8 और 9, 10. Next one is seventh. A union B union C. This is a set which contain all elements of set A, B and C. जिसके अंदर A के सारे आ जाए, B के सारे एलिमेंट आ जाए, C के सारे एलिमेंट आ जाए, तो A के सारे एलिमेंट ले 1, 2, 3, 4. फिर आप बी के सारे एलिमेंट 3 4 आ चुका है, 5 एंड 6, फिर सी के सारे एलिमेंट ले 5 6 आप ले चुके हैं, 7 एंड 8. सो दिस वन इज द A union B union C. And next part is A union B union D. A union B union D is a set which contain all element of set A, that is 1 2 3 4, and B का 3 4 आप ले चुके हैं, 5 and 6, and D के सारे एलिमेंट ले 7 8 and 9 10. So this one is the A union B or union D. And next part is second, third. This serial is wrong. This one is the fourth part, and this one is the fifth part, and this one is the sixth part, and the seventh part is A union C union D, B union C union D. This is a set which contain all element of B, C and D. So B के एलिमेंट आप ले 3 4 5 and 6, 5 6 आप ले चुके हैं, C के एलिमेंट ले 7 8, D के 7 8 आ चुके हैं, अब आप ले 9 and 10. तो दिस इज द 7th पार्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. ये क्वेश्चन नंबर हमने किया है 4th. इसी क्वेश्चन को हमने एज ए क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 ट्राई करना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड द इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ ईच पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. इसी का जहां पर हमने यहां पर ये लिया है, इसी को आपने इंटरसेक्ट में कन्वर्ट करना है. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 के लिए यही सेट आपके पास रहेंगे. सो देयर आर द सेट ए बी सी एंड डी फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. केवल आपने फर्स्ट पार्ट को मॉडिफाई करना है क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 के लिए. तो फर्स्ट पार्ट बिकम्स एज ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. अगर क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 सॉल्व करना है तो जहां पर क्वेश्चन 4 के अंदर हमने यूनियन लिया है, उसमें हर पार्ट में हमने इंटरसेक्शन लेना है. तो क्वेश्चन 4th का फर्स्ट पार्ट है ए यूनियन बी. तो 4 क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 दिस कन्वर्ट एज ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. तो यहां पर आपने फाइंड आउट करना है ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. तो A set which contain element 1 2 3 4, B set which contain element 3 4 5 6, and intersection of two set is a set which contain the common element of both the sets. तो 3 4 और 3 4, 3 4 इसमें भी है, 3 4 इसमें भी है, दोनों के कॉमन एलिमेंट है. तो A intersection B is a set which contain the common element of set A and set B. So common element are 3 and 4. Now, second one is A union B. इसको आप कन्वर्ट करें A इंटरसेक्शन C. क्वेश्चन 5 के लिए इसको कन्वर्ट कर दें A इंटरसेक्शन C. तो A इंटरसेक्शन C is a set which contain the common element of A as well as C. A में एलिमेंट है 1 2 3 4, C में एलिमेंट है 5 और 6. तो there is no common element, so we can say that A intersection B is phi set, empty set, null set. Now, third part is B union को convert करें C में. B intersection C. So we will take the common element of B and C. So 5 6 दोनों में common element है. So B intersection will be as 5 and 6 element. And similarly fourth part is B union D. convert करें B intersection D में. So B intersection D means contain the common element of B and C. B set contain the element 3 4 5 6. D contain the element 7 8 9 10. So there is no common element, so this is also null set. And fifth part is A union B union C. तो convert this A intersection B intersection C. This set A, this set B, this set C. So write down the element which belongs to set A and set B and set C. A intersection B intersection C contain all those elements which belongs to set A, set B and set C, but we see that there is no common element between B and C and A, B and C simultaneously. जो A में, B में, C में, यहां पर तीनों सेट में कोई भी एलिमेंट कॉमन नहीं है, तो दिस वन इज कॉल्ड phi set, empty set, null set. Now sixth part is A union B union C convert करें A intersection B intersection D. So this is also empty set. There is no common element between A, B and D. And seventh part is B intersection C intersection D. अब यहां पे तीनों में कॉमन आप निकालें तो यहां पर भी कोई कॉमन एलिमेंट नहीं है. जो बी में है उसका सी में कुछ पार्ट है, उसका डी में है, लेकिन तीनों में कोई भी कॉमन एलिमेंट यहां पर नहीं है. तो दिस वन इज ऑल्सो एम्प्टी सेट और फाई सेट. सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. एंड ऑन दिस बेसिस union and intersection, now we are taking the question number 6, in which some sets are defined as question number 6. In this one, set A, which contain the element 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11, and set B, which contain the element 7, 9, 11 and 13, and there is a set C which contain the element 11, 13 and 15, and there is a fourth set D which contain the element 15 and 17. And write down the answer of the following questions. First is A intersection B. First part is A intersection B. How many elements in set A and set B which belongs to both set A and set B, that is common element of A and B? So there is a 7 lie in A and B, second is 9 lie in both, or third is 11. So 7, 9, 11 are those elements which have belongs to set A as well as set B. So these are the common element between set A and set B. So this one is the A intersection B. Second part, B intersection C. Common element of B and C. B contains 7, 9, 11, 13. This one is contain 11 and 13. So there are two elements lie between B and C as common elements. So B intersection C is 11 and 13. Next is third part. A intersection C intersection D. A intersection C intersection D. So this one is also a set which contain the common element of A, B and C. So A में है 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 और C में आपके पास है 11. तो इनका एक कॉमन एलिमेंट है, लेकिन ये एलिमेंट यहां पर लाई नहीं कर रहा है. तो दिस इज द एम्प्टी सेट. तो देयर इज नो कॉमन एलिमेंट among these three sets A, B and D. Next is A intersection. Fourth part is A intersection C. A और C में केवल एक एलिमेंट 11 है जो दोनों में कॉमन है. तो A intersection C is the singleton set which contain only one element, and this one element 11 belongs to A as well as belongs to C. Next is B intersection D. B intersection D. So B और D में जो भी कॉमन एलिमेंट है, तो there is no common element between B and D. So this is the empty set. Sixth part is A intersection B union C. So sixth part is A intersection B union C. Now, there are both the operations union and intersection. So first of all, solve the bracket. So A intersection. So write down B union C. B union C means the set of a set which contain all element of B as well as C. तो B में एलिमेंट है 7, 9, 11, 13. फिर आप इसके एलिमेंट लिखें 11, 13 आ चुके 15. तो दिस इज द B यूनियन C. अब आप A भी लिखें तो A सेट है 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and intersection 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. So this is the intersection of two sets, or this one is the set which contain the common element of both the sets. So 3 is not common, 7 is the common in this one and this one, 9 in like both the sets, or 11 in like both the sets. So we get the result as A intersection B union C is a set which contain the elements 7, 9 and 11. Now, seventh part is A intersection D. A intersection D. There is no common element between them. So this one is the empty set. Eighth part. A intersection B union D. So first of all, find out B union D. So A intersection or B union D is a set which contains the all element of B as well as all element of set C, D. So 7, 9, 11 and 13 as well as element of set D 15 and 17. Now, A is the set of element 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11 or intersection 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 and 17. So write down a new set which contain the common element of both the set, that is 7, 9 and 11. So this is the A union B, A intersection B union D. Now, ninth part is A intersection B intersection B union C is equal to, पहले ब्रैकेट सॉल्व करें तो A intersection B, what are the common element between A and B? So A intersection B is a set which contain the element 7, 9 and 11 and intersection. And next is B union C, contain the element of B as well as C, 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. अब इन दोनों का आप इंटरसेक्शन ले तो कॉमन एलिमेंट, सो दिस इज द सेट ऑफ एलिमेंट 7, 9 and 11. So this is the set A intersection B union C. And next part is 10th part. 10th is find A union D and intersection B union C. So first of all, find out A union D which contain all element of A as well as D. So 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. All these element of set A, and write down all element of set D. D is 15 and 17. And intersection B union C. B union C is 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15 which contain all element of set B as well as set C. Now, taking their intersection. So what are the common element between these two sets? 7, 9, 11, 30, 15. So there is only 15 element. So this is the resultant set, which is A union D intersection B union C. So which contain the elements 7, 9, 11 and 15. So this is the solution of question number 6. Now next is question number 7. Question 7 is set A. X such that X is a natural number. X is a natural number. And there is another set B. X such that X is even natural number. X is even natural number. And C is the set of element X such that X is odd natural number. And D is the set of element X such that X is prime number. X is prime number. फाइंड, तो यहां पर 4 सेट्स हमें गिवन है. अगर इन सेट्स को हम रोस्टर फॉर्म में लिखें तो मीनिंग ऑफ द फर्स्ट सेट इज 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 अप टू सो infinite set. Second B is the set of even natural number 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Set C is the odd natural number 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Or D is the set of prime number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. So in the question there are set builder form are given, so we have converted their roster form. So now first question is what is A intersection B? First is A intersection B. That is, what are the common element between A and B? A is the set of all natural numbers and B contain the even natural number. This set contain all even, all odd, and this is the set of all even. So इन दोनों का कॉमन एलिमेंट होगा नेचुरल नंबर्स विच आर इवन 2, 4, 6, 8 एंड सो ऑन. ए कंटेन, ए में सारे नेचुरल है, बी के अंदर केवल इवन नेचुरल नंबर है. दोनों में कॉमन क्या आएगा? इवन नेचुरल नंबर, बिकॉज इसमें भी सारे इवन नेचुरल नंबर कंटेन करता है. इवन और ये दोनों कंटेन कर रहा है, इसमें इवन है तो कॉमन हमें क्या मिलेगा? इवन नेचुरल नंबर. और इस सेट को हम क्या कहेंगे? बी. सो वी कैन से दैट ए इंटरसेक्शन बी इज बी सेट, और वी कैन ऑल्सो डिफाइन एज बी मीन्स एक्स इज दैट एक्स इज द ऑड इवन नेचुरल नंबर. सेकेंड वन इज ए इंटरसेक्शन सी. 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. That is C. A is the set of all natural number. C is the set of odd natural number. So we are taking the common natural number between A and C. So common natural number are the odd natural number, and the set of odd natural number is called the set C. So this one A intersection C is C. Third part is A intersection D. A is set of natural number and D is prime natural number, and we know that every prime number is a natural number. तो इसमें ये जो D कंटेन कर रहा है वो सारे इसमें भी आपको एलिमेंट मिल रहे हैं, तो यहां पर कॉमन एलिमेंट आ रहे हैं, यानी प्राइम नंबर. तो 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 एंड सो ऑन, दैट इज डी। तो ए और डी का इंटरसेक्शन होगा डी, चूंकि सारे नेचुरल नंबर प्राइम होते हैं तो वो सारे इसमें है, तो कॉमन प्राइम नंबर आ रहे हैं यहां पर, तो इसका मतलब है ए इंटरसेक्शन डी इज सेट डी। फोर्थ इज बी इंटरसेक्शन सी। B intersection C. B is the set of even natural numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Or C is the set of odd natural number 5, 7, 9 and so on. So there is no common element between them. चूंकि यहां पर कोई भी कॉमन नहीं होगा इवन और ऑड में, तो B इंटरसेक्शन C आपको मिलेगा एम्प्टी सेट और नल सेट। देन फिफ्थ केस इज B intersection D. B is the set of even natural number 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. And D is the set of prime number 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. So we want to search out a element which belongs to set B as well as belongs to set D. Set B is the set of the element of even natural number, or set D is the set of the prime number, but there is one prime number which is also an even. So, two natural number which is even as well as prime number. So, there is only one element is common between them. So, B intersection D is a set which contains the element 2, that is the singleton set. So, B intersection D. Now, sixth part is C intersection D. C intersection D. We know that C is the set of odd natural number 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on, or D is the set of the prime number 3, 5, 7 and so on. So, what are the common elements between them? So we can say that 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 15, 17 and so on. That is, odd prime numbers except of 2 are odd number. केवल 2 को छोड़कर सारे प्राइम odd होते हैं, तो वो सारे के सारे ऑड इसमें भी है, वहां पर प्राइम है, तो ये सारे कॉमन एलिमेंट है। तो इसको हम लिख सकते हैं एक्स सच दैट एक्स इज ए प्राइम नंबर मोर देन इक्वल टू 3 या मोर देन 2। हम ये भी कह सकते हैं एक्सेप्ट ऑफ 2 और मोर देन 2। सो दिस इज द C intersection D. So we have taken the intersection of the so many given parts or so many given sets in question number 7. Now question number 8. Question number 8 is, which of the following pair of the sets are disjoint set? So first, we explain the joint or disjoint set. Joint sets. If A intersection B is not equal to 5. So these are called joint set. And disjoint set, if A intersection B is equal to 5. That is, if there is no common element between two sets, then these sets are called disjoint set. Or if two sets are which contain one or two or three some elements as common element, so these are called joint set. In Venn diagram, we can represent the two sets as A and B. So these two sets are called disjoint set. Disjoint set. But if the Venn diagram of two sets as set A and set B, so these are called joint set. So these are called disjoint or these are called joint set. So in question number 8, we want to prove that the given sets are the disjoint or joint. So first part is, there are the two sets are given as a set A as 1, 2, 3 and 4. And set B as x such that x is a natural number less than equal to 4, greater than less than equal to 6, greater than equal to 4, that is 4, 5 and 6. So we want to prove that these are the joint or not joint, verify that. So first of all, find their intersection. A intersection B contain one element 4, this is a singleton set, that is not equal to 5. So there is a common element between them. अगर यहां पर आप इनका Venn diagram ड्रॉ करें तो दिस वन इज द सेट ए और सेट बी. सो यहां पर एक एलिमेंट कॉमन है 4, इसके एलिमेंट 1, 2, 3 और बाकी 5 एंड 6. तो यहां पर इन दोनों का एक कॉमन एलिमेंट आपको मिल रहा है. तो ए इंटरसेक्शन बी इज नॉट 5, सो वी कैन से दैट दीज आर द जॉइंट सेट. Joint sets. Second is set A as set of vowels A, E, I, O, U, and set B is the set of the element C, D, E, F. Then find their intersection A intersection B. A intersection B contain one common element as C, so which is not equal to 5, so these are called joint set. Joint sets. And third one is a set A x such that x even integers, so -4, -2, 0, 2, 4, 6 and so on. And there is another set B which have x such that x odd integer, that is -3, -1, 1, 3, 5 and so on. So when we take their intersection A intersection B, so these are the even integer, these are the odd integers, so there is no common element between them. So this one is the 5. So these are called disjoint set. Disjoint sets. So simply we can verify that the given sets are the joint or disjoint set according to their intersection. If there is a common element between them, that these are called joint set, or there is no common element between them, these are called disjoint set. Now, question number 9. Question 9 is, there are the some given sets as set A as 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21. So set A is a given set which contains the element 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. And set B which contains the element 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. There is another set C which contain 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. And fourth set is D, 5, 10, 15 and 20. Now give the answer of the following questions. First question is, find the set A minus B. So this one is the difference of the two sets. We have already defined the difference of the two sets is a set which contain the element of set first only. तो इसके अंदर केवल A के एलिमेंट आएंगे, B का कोई भी एलिमेंट यहां पर नहीं लेंगे. तो A में एलिमेंट है दिस वन, बट B का एलिमेंट आप नहीं लेंगे. सो A का एलिमेंट 3, नेक्स्ट इज 6, 9, 12. We cannot take the element 12 because 12 also belongs to set B. So next is 15, 18 and 21. So this is the difference of two set. A minus B is a set which contain the set A only, not contain any element of set B. Now second is A minus C. So similarly, A minus C is a set which contain the element of set A only, not any element of C. So 3, next is 6. We cannot take 6 because 6 also belongs to set C. Next is 9. Next is 12. We cannot take 12 because 12 is also belongs to C. Next is 15, 18 and 21. So this is A minus C. Third part is A minus D. A minus D is a set which contains the element of set A only, not D. So 3, we can take 6, 9 and 12, not 15. 15 also belongs to set C. तो ये D में भी है, इसको आप नहीं लेंगे. और 18 and 21. So this one is A minus D. Fourth one is B minus A, which contain the set of which contain the element of set B only. So B में आप ले सकते हैं 4, 8, 12. 12 also belongs to A, तो 12 नहीं लेंगे. Next is 16 and 20. Now fifth part is C minus A. C के एलिमेंट केवल 2, 4, 6, not because 6 also belongs to A. यहां भी है 8, 10, 12. ये A में भी है, इसको नहीं लेंगे. 14 and 16. Sixth part is D minus A, which contain the element of set D only. 5, 10, 15. 15 also belongs to A, इसको exempt करिएगा. और 20. Now seventh is B minus C, which contain the set of element of B only. Then 4, we cannot take 4 because 4 also belongs to C. Next is 8. 8 also belongs to C. 12 also belongs to C. 16 also belongs to C. So we take only 20 element, which is the element of set B only, and 20 does not belongs to set C. Next is eighth. Eighth part is B minus D. B minus D. 4, 8, 12, 16. And we not takes 20 because 20 also element of set D. So B minus D contains the element of set B only, which do not have any element of set D. So this is the eighth. Next is ninth. C minus B. C minus B is the set which contain the element of C only, not B. So 2, 4 nahi lenge because 4 also belongs to B. And next is 6, 8 not, 10, 12 not, 14, 16 not. So these are the element of set C only. 10th is D minus B. D minus B is a set which contains the element of set D only. So 5, 10, 15, not 20. 20 line also inside B. And 11th, C minus D. The element of set C only. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 आप नहीं लेंगे because 10 also belongs to D. Next is 12, 14 and 16. And last one is 12, D minus C, which contain the element of D only, that is 5. 10 आपने छोड़ना होगा because 10 also belongs to C, and 15 and 20. So these are the 12 part of this question in which we have used the difference of the two given sets. Now next is question 10. Question number 10. In this question, there are the sets given as X. A, B, C and D. And there is another set given as Y. F, B and D and G. In first case, find out X minus Y. X minus Y is a set which contain only element of set X, not set Y. So X के element आपने लेने A. We cannot take B because B also belongs to set Y. And next element is C. We cannot take D element because D also belongs to set Y. So this one is the X minus Y. Now second is Y minus X is the set which contain the element of set Y only, that is F. We cannot take F because F is also belongs to X. And next is G. So there is only two element of set Y which do not belongs to set X. And third part is X intersection Y. X intersection Y means common element of X and Y, that is B and D. So there are only two elements which are lie in X as well as belongs to set Y. So this one is X intersection Y. Now, question number 11. R is the set of real number. Set of real numbers. And Q is the set of rational number. Set of rational numbers. Question is that what is R minus Q? Or we know that the difference of the two sets, the set of real number is divided into two parts, means set of rational numbers and set of irrational numbers. Question is that there is a set of a real number and Q is the set of a rational number. We want to find out the difference of the R minus Q. The difference of these two sets is a set which contain the all real number which are not rational. So we know that the set of real number contain the rational as well as set of irrational. Yeah, contain all rational number as well as contain all irrational number. So R minus Q means set of real number except of rational, और सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर में से अगर रैशनल छोड़ देते हैं तो बचते हैं इरेशनल, तो इसका मीनिंग आएगा सेट ऑफ इरेशनल नंबर, irrational numbers. So that is set of rational number minus set of real number minus set of rational number means taking all real numbers which are not rational, that is these are irrational. So R minus Q means set of irrational numbers. Now question number 12. Question number 12 is, state whether each of the following statements are true or false. First is, there is a set 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3, 6 are disjoint. Second part is, the second is the set of A, E, I, O, U and second set is A, B, C, D, and given that these are disjoint. Third one is, there is a set of element 2, 6, 10, 14 and another set 3, 7, 11 and 15 are disjoint. And fourth part is 2, 6, 10 and another set is 3, 7, 11 and given that these are disjoint. So we know that what is the meaning of the disjoint set or what is the meaning of the joint set. So in case of this first, अगर हमने फर्स्ट को एक्सप्लेन करना है, वेरीफाई करना है कि these are the joint set, so this one is the first part. Solution. What is their intersection? 2, 3, 4 and 5 intersection of 3 and 6, or this one is the 3. So to verify them, taking their intersection, so when we take their intersection, so we get a singleton set which contain the element set 3, element 3, so which is not equal to 5. So that is, these are the joint set. ये कैसे है सेट? जॉइंट सेट है, तो इसका मतलब ये क्या है? ये फॉल्स है. In case second, taking their intersection A, I, O, U, E, intersection A, B, C and D. So we get A as the common element between these two sets, which is not equal to 5. So these are joint sets. So this one is also false. Now third set is, taking their intersection as 2, 6, 10, 14, intersection 3, 7, 11 and 15. So there is no common element between them. So their intersection is 5. So these are disjoint set. Disjoint set. So this one is true. And last part is, taking their intersection 2, 6, 10 intersection 3, 7 and 11. So in these two sets, there is no common element between them, so their intersection is 5. So these are also disjoint sets. So this one is also true. So very easily, by the definition of the joint or disjoint set, we can show that which statement is true or which statement is false. So in this exercise, we have solved various questions, various problems on the basis of the union, intersections, difference of sets, and joint and disjoint sets. In the next lecture, we discuss the numerical problem based on the complement set. तो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम डिस्कस करेंगे हाउ विल यू फाइंड आउट द कॉम्प्लीमेंट सेट ऑफ ए गिवन सेट. थैंक यू, गुड बाय.